What if the secret to success wasn't just about working harder, but about what you do when you're not working? The most accomplished people on the planet don't just grind 24/7. Instead, they use their downtime strategically to recharge, grow, and stay ahead. Here are 7 surprising habits of highly successful people that transform their spare time into fuel for success. 1. They read relentlessly, but not just anything. Successful people don't just scroll, they consume knowledge. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year, while Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. The key? They focus on books that expand their thinking, biographies, industry insights, and deep dives into new skills. Try this. Swap 30 minutes of social media for a book that challenges you. 2. They practice active recovery, not just lounging. While most people crash on the couch, high achievers use rest strategically. They might take a walk in nature, do light yoga, or meditate, activities that recharge both body and mind. Why it works: passive scrolling drains energy, active recovery restores it. 3. They network without trying, the coffee chat hack. Successful people don't force networking, they make it natural. A quick coffee, a casual check-in text, or sharing an interesting article keeps relationships warm without feeling transactional. Pro tip: reach out to one person weekly just to say, "I thought you'd find this interesting." 4. They tinker with side projects just for fun. Elon Musk codes for fun. Oprah journals obsessively. Side projects keep their brains sharp and creativity flowing without the pressure of work. Your move: spend an hour a week on something just because it fascinates you. 5. They reflect daily, the 5-minute success hack. High performers don't just move forward, they look back. A short daily reflection, what worked, what didn't, helps them course correct faster than others. Simple method: keep a win and learn journal by your bed. 6. They move their bodies like it's a meeting. Richard Branson wakes up at 5 a.m. to kitesurf. Twitter's Jack Dorsey runs daily. Successful people treat physical activity like a non-negotiable appointment because it boosts focus, energy, and mental clarity. Start small. A 10-minute walk counts. 7. They schedule nothing. Time on purpose. Google's Sergey Brin blocks thinking time. Jeff Bezos insists on empty space in his calendar. The best ideas come when the mind isn't forced, so they literally plan for unstructured time. Try it. Block 1 hour this week for zero agenda. Success isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters in the time others waste. These 7 habits prove that the richest hours of your day might be the ones you're not working at all. Start with just one this week and watch how your momentum shifts. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.